Why are you just hodling? Let me ask you a question. Were you one of those people who jumped on the bandwagon and FOMO'd in to get CRO when everyone else was? Let me guess, Crypto.com arena, right? Why are you still holding CRO? Matter of fact, before we go any further, I want you to leave it in the comments as to the reason why you are still holding CRO. Let's talk about it. So I know from the intro, some of y'all might be thinking that I was really going in on CRO, but I'm actually not. I'm here to tell you, not financial advice. I'm here to give you reasons as to how you can be utilizing your CRO, or what you can be doing with your CRO so that it can make you some money. So maybe you were one of those people who purchased it through the exchange and you FOMO'd in when everyone else was, and now it's just sitting in your wallet. You do know that there is a DeFi wallet for Crypto.com, correct? You do know you can download that wallet and you can execute DeFi strategies on Crypto.com. You do know that that wallet and the exchange communicate effectively. Well, maybe you don't. And that is what I'm here to do. Okay? Why are you still holding your CRO? Today, my focus is on VVS Financing. Very, very simple financing. Remember, you must always do your own research. But what I'm gonna do is give you a quick rundown on what VVS is all about and how you can use the DeFi strategies to put your money to work. One of the biggest risks or concerns when it comes to providing liquidity or yield farming is impermanent loss, okay? What is impermanent loss? Impermanent loss is when there's a change, when the coins do not increase or decrease effectively or percentage-wise together. Now, impermanent loss does not become a loss unless you sell or swap, okay? It's a loss on paper technically, but there's always a possibility that the price of the coin can go back up. So just as you're sitting and you're holding CRO in your wallet and you may have bought it at like 40 cents or maybe 80 cents and it's currently at 11 cents, you can still use that so you can make some money off of it. Now, risk management, again, is very important. So what you have to do is any new dollars that you get in, of course, that's where you would invest it with it, but that's not financial advice. You do what you want to do. I mean, I would not swap. I would not sell. If you're buying it because you understand the project and you believe in project and it's a long-term hold, if you're going to hold it, then you might as well put it to work. So let's get into VVS Financing. VVS.finance. So VVS, very, very simple DeFi trading for all. Now, I have already done my research, but let's just give you. We aim to make DeFi simple and within reach of billions. Low fees, fast transactions, and competitive earnings. Shiny yield farming opportunity, clear incentives for all. You can be a DeFi trader, you can be a liquidity provider, or you can be a VVS miner. And you see with the DeFi trader, you can swap instantly. You see with the liquidity provider, you supply tokens in pair to receive liquidity, or you can be a miner, passive income. And what we're gonna do is focus on this top crystal farm right here, which is FERRAL and VVS. Value, utility, and governance. Currently, you stake. The bread and butter is for miners. Stake VVS to earn VVS. The community. We are a simple group of avid DeFi enthusiasts who desire to build a platform our peers will use and love. So join the chat and you can bet we will keep our ears wide open. That's the community. And we have farms, we have mines, and then we have XVVS, which I'm not getting into all of this right now. I'm simply showing you how you can go to farms, and if you're holding CRO, we're gonna do two ways. I'm gonna show you the safe, and I'm gonna show you a little bit more risky, okay? So if you are, let's just search CRO. If you're holding CRO, I would say the safest is if you pair CRO with USDC, because as it relates to impermanent loss, the only change will be when your CRO goes up or down. Literally, the USDC is pegged, so the USDC is going to stay the same. And you can see you're getting 25% interest. And if you do the calculator, let's say you have $1,000, and so in 7 days you get $1.57 return. You get $6.76 a month. You leave it for a year. It's $85 on 1,000. 8.5%. Better than the bank. All right, so that would be that. If you wanted to get maybe a higher APR, then VVS, you can purchase their token. You can pair your CRO. Now remember, don't swap your CRO because you already have it. You would have to purchase VVS. If you see at 98.24%, that same $1,000 in 1 year, $1,611. That's 161% of your investment. Every 30 days, you can see 8209. Okay, that's because it compounds. So this is what I wanted to show you. This would be, in my opinion, these two would be considered safe. Or to be honest with you, it really depends on what you hold in your wallet, because you see there are different options with SHIB, with USDT, with Doge. It depends on your risk tolerance. Risk management is very important. So the one that I'm focusing on, because I'm all about that high passive income and APY, you know it. So let me take off CRO, APR, bam. And so this is a multi-yield. So the way this works is you have VVS and you have FERRAL. And so what you would do is you would use new money, not money that you have. You're not swapping, because when you swap, you lose, okay? New money. Risk management is important. Risk tolerance is important. So you would use new money. You would pair VVS and FERRAL, and once you add that liquidity, APR is 634%. Now let's do the math. On $1,000, if you were to leave it in there for a year, if you were able to leave it in there for a year, if the APY and the APR was consistent over a year, then of course $1,000 would turn to $481,000. Now, that's in a perfect world. We're not in a perfect world, but you can see the potential. And so if you look at it after 30 days, it's kind of how I like to look at it. After 30 days, you make 66% of your investment back, okay? But this is how it's broken down right here. You can see 48,154% APY, because it compounds one time daily, once a day. And so that comes out to 635 APR, which, to be honest with you, is not bad. Well, there you have it. A little introduction to the VVS Financing. Very, very simple financing on the CRO blockchain, crypto.com. Hey, listen, download the app. Let me know if you're gonna try it. Hopefully you got something from this today. It's your boy Crypto Rock. All Crypto Lord is done. It's time to get out your feelings. It's time to get in the game. It's just that simple. The people who don't get in the game are the people who are on the sidelines complaining. There's three types of people in this world: those who watch things happen, those who make things happen, and those who say what happened. I'm getting in the game. I'm getting in the game. It's your boy. I catch y'all on the next.